Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use public BBQs in Australia. First, find an available electric barbecue in a park or public area. Before you begin, quickly check the hot plate to ensure it's clean. Gather all your ingredients and cooking utensils. Then, simply press the start button, usually located on the side, to begin heating the cooking surface. It's that easy to get started. Once activated, let the hot plate heat up for approximately 10 minutes to reach an optimal cooking temperature. You can then place your food directly onto the hot surface. It's important to avoid using cooking sprays or oils, as these can damage the nonstick coating and create a mess. Always keep a close eye on children and pets to ensure their safety around the hot barbecue. Cleaning up is crucial for everyone's enjoyment. As soon as you finish cooking, use a scraper or spatula to remove any food residue from the hot plate. Follow this by wiping the surface clean with a damp cloth or paper towel. Please ensure all your rubbish, including food scraps and packaging, is placed into the provided bins. Leaving the area spotless ensures a pleasant experience for the next person. Remember to be considerate of others who might be waiting to use the barbecue. Try to limit your cooking and eating time to a reasonable duration, especially during busy periods. If you notice any damage or issues with the barbecue, please report it to the local council. Most importantly, relax and enjoy your delicious meal amidst Australia's stunning natural surroundings. Happy barbecuing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.